And that is all in. We ready to start it?
Send it.
This is going to be an orchestra. This is what SVJs are about. Ready?
What, are you ready? Are you ready?
Everyone's ready.
Even though this car's still in pieces, this is one of the moments I've been waiting for the most. The sound of the exhaust. Okay, just put the ignition on to start with. Okay. There's still a lot of faults we need to get through, but hopefully now it's out of limp mode. Okay. Come on! Yeah? Hannah, see if it'll rev a bit. Whoa! It's a bit smoky. I think he's burning off a lot of the oils on the exhaust. Do it again, do it again! It's flames! Oh my god! Come and have a look at this!
He's an idiot.
Oh my god, Valvetronic exhaust, everyone. That was absolutely insane.
I think round of applause.
Oh, that was
Yeah. What do you think, Hannah?
So cool.
Yeah?
That's my favourite.
That was worth every penny. Even Kevin was jumping for joy for that. How can anybody want to buy an electric car